Well, gotta get the frame separated from the body. So we're gonna ratchet strap the front end and then do it to the back end. Me and my brother. Should be fun. Let's do it. Forgot to disconnect the steering shaft. Okay, got the e-brake cable released and the steering shaft disconnected, so now it should be good to lift up. Well, it's day 2 of trying to get the body off the frame. I have a good spot to jack it up, but then I'm not gonna have anywhere to place the 4x4, so what I'm gonna have to do is just get it up about 2 inches, put some bricks under, and then go back to the front and repeat this process until I reach revelation. So let's lift this up. Up about an inch. I mean, it's going. So this side is up about an inch, the other side's up 2 inches. It's a little uneven, but we're getting there. Oh, this is so scary. I've missed one mount. Yeah, I missed one mount bolt. It's right behind the rear springs and just overlooked that. All right, with the last 2 bastards removed, we can lift the car up. Thank God for, what is it called? For an impact drill. Why did it take me so long to remember that? Oh, that. I just feel like it's kind of swaying. Every push I do now, it's coming to the left, which is really worrisome. Well, it's up like 2 inches, so it's enough for me to put some small blocks under it, and then we'll just keep repeating this process. Ugh. Bushings out. One on the other side. And since the body is slightly shifted this way, I'm just gonna have to push as I slowly lower. So I got the front raised. It's not sitting on these blocks yet, but it is sitting on those 2 blocks. And it's anchored currently, sitting on the frame right here. So it has a solid like 3-point connection right now. I'm just kind of nervous to lift the rear end up again because of that lopsidedness, but I mean, what can I do except for fucking go for it? So we got the car raised. I'm hoping this is enough to be able to run my fuel line. I'm gonna try and just cut up this 4x4 and hold it up over here. So I got the 4x4 in with a brick under it, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do that for here and in front of the wheels, and then the bricks are just fine up front. Let's go up just a tiny bit. All right, I got the car lifted. You can see the frame there. So I'm gonna try and sand it, do a little bit of Eastwood encapsulator on there, and run the fuel line, then drop that back down. That was a bitch.